Hello everybody, welcome to My Creative Time with Emma. Today I am going to show you how to put together our brand new cute card pocket add-on, and it comes with the coordinating stamp with these sentiments. One says a little note: feel better soon, you make the world a better place, you are the best, love you always, time to celebrate, happy everything. And then we have thanks. Now you could go ahead and use that with thanks so very much, or thanks crafty friend, or thanks for your kindness. Or you could even do crafty friend, you are the best, or crafty friend, you make the world a better place. You know what I'm saying? So plenty of little options for that set there. Now I actually designed this little pocket. So these are like a cute little tag that's you're gonna stick in the pocket. Here goes the pocket, and here goes a layer for here. Now I created this where it could go smaller, so this way it won't cover up our stitching. And then if you want to turn this into a tag, there's that little hole you could use. Okay, so I designed this set to coordinate with our cute card dies. Now I know several of you have this die set already, because when I first came out with it, I sold out of it over and over and over again. So this is actually, hold on, let me open this up really quick. This set is made to go with the larger stitched in here. So basically this is called cute card dies, and it comes with the base card, almost similar to a mini slim line, but not quite the same size. This was my version of it, but it's just like a smaller card. Super cute card to put together. I love it. It comes with the card base, and it comes with this side. It comes with emboss layering and stitch layering. So you're going to use the bigger stitched layer. Now, when you put this together, you could also put it on the actual, like you could cut out the card base and put that in front if you want. And that's totally up to you. And then it also goes with our cute card envelope dies. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to quickly put this together. So here it goes right here. I went ahead and kind of just did like the easy stuff for you that you would already know how to do. Okay, and then, oh, I forgot to tell you, I use my gift card greetings for, there's a little coordinating die set that goes in there. I use that because it fits a little note perfectly. Okay, so if you want to cut this out twice, you can, or you don't have to, and I'll show you why you might want to cut it out twice. So when there's like a little what do you call it, an emboss line here, an emboss line here. So what you want to do is just kind of make sure, use your nail just to kind of make sure you do fold it at the emboss line and not the, let me grab my little, I don't have my tweezers here. Let's just use this here. You want to and do it on this emboss line right here, and not the stitch line, because that's supposed to be a little decorative element for the front. Okay, so you see how it folds perfectly right below on that emboss line there. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we are going to, let me grab my bone folder here. So I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of do this to make sure it stays down. And I already did the other side. Okay, so the best way I found to do this, now I showed my design team a different way. I'm going to have to re-show them this way instead, because I said to go ahead and just put it like this, like to put the adhesive here and then glue it on like here. But I found it better if you just tucked this whole card just like so. Okay, and then you're going to put your adhesive here instead on the inside. Okay, and this way it could house a tag that has layering in it along with a regular tag. Like, you know, if you like pop stuff up, you want to have some dimension, or it could also house a flat tag as well. And I'll show you the examples. So I'm just putting some adhesive here, and I'm just using my little old school Tombow Mono liquid glue. I haven't used that in years. So we are going, so now just keep in mind, this is the way it's going to go, like so. And I'm just going to kind of slide that in there. Let me make sure this is good here. Okay. You see how it makes a perfect little pocket there. Now, Do you need the cute card dies to go with it? No, you could just go ahead and pick up the little pocket if you want, and then just measure it. You know what I'm saying? And just cut out an actual piece of cardstock that will fit it, okay? But I like the idea of having the cute card dies because I'm going to show you why in a second here. So I'm just kind of just making sure this is all glued down perfectly there. Now, the reason why I like it to go with the card dies, because if you could see here, you see how the stitching is? I made it to coordinate perfectly with the stitching on the actual cute card die, okay? You see how it's a little bit here? See how it goes perfectly? So that's basically how I designed that. Now, you could also cut out a second one. If you don't like the way this looks on the back, you could cut out a second one and just back it, just like so. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's just make it look clean. So let me go ahead and we're just gonna use some little tape runner here, really quick here. So I'm just gonna carefully put this on here. Since I used that tape runner, I really don't have any wiggle room to move it around. Okay, you see how I didn't move this completely all the way up to it, like for example, like this one here, you see how this one is butt up against it right there. You see how this one I left a little bit lower, but you know what, that's okay. You know what I'm saying? It's not the end of the world. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So now that we have that part done, we're just going to go ahead and put this together here. Now, this is the point here. Now, remember now I'm not using this one today. I'm going to show you on my samples how I did use it though. Now, this is the point. If you want to add this, you can, okay? So before you put this on there, what you want to do is just go ahead and put this on here like so. Let me grab my little plate here. Okay, so we are going, now the other ones I made envelopes for. I'm not going to make an envelope for this one because I want to show you how cute this looks without. We're going to go ahead and put that like so, because it will cut through both of these cards, so depending on this, you know what I'm saying, the weight of your cardstock. So let me grab some little tape here. So now, if this wasn't double layer, it would stick onto the magnet perfectly. But being that it is double layer, we are going to go ahead and just put the tape on here ourselves. Just like so. And then, hopefully that's even there. Okay, and then now we're gonna go ahead and just run this through the machine and give it a quick cut really fast, okay? So now, of course, you could do these separately, you know, do each, cut each tag separately using that. But I just find it just a wee bit easier if you just go ahead and just do it all at once. And that just pops out just like so. And then all you're going to do is just add some ribbon. So I figured I would add my little sheer ribbon here today. I love this ribbon. So let's just go ahead and just do that. And then let's use this here. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab some twine really quick here. Okay, I just went ahead and just put this on really quick off camera because I'm pretty sure you know how to do this. So you just put the little ribbon through and just tie a little piece of twine there. And then we're going to go ahead and add our little thingy there. Now, our little tag. Now, if you want, you could also back this with white cardstock. So you could write a little message, or you could write a message right below it. Totally up to you how you want to do this. Yeah, they're super simple to get to put together. Now, obviously, you can turn these into Christmas. I have lots of Christmas sentiments, or any sentiments you have in your stash will work. I think they're super cute. So I'm going to let that dry before I put it in the pocket. So these are just a few examples here. Now, this is one without the little opening there. It says, have a holly jolly Christmas. Isn't that adorable? And then I just use my little foliage, the little Christmas green dies for that. And then this has, you can put this in the little matching envelope. Like I said, that's the cute card, envelope die. And then we have, actually, I'm sorry, I had the wrong one for that. This is the matching envelope to go with that, and that's super cute. And then this one here, a little note, you make the world a better place. This is the one I use, that little triangle. You see how I put it in between the stitching so you can still see that stitching. So I kind of raised it up a little, and I put the little note down here just so you won't cover up any of the little cute little postage on there. And here goes a little matching envelope for that, and I use our cute little Gingy. And then this one here, another one here. Now this one I put in the center, and it didn't really matter if I covered that up, so I just stamped right directly on there, a little note. And then this is just a single layer, just like so. Thanks, crafty friend. You see how it fits perfectly in there. And then before I forget, we need to add this on. This is our little sentiment for that guy here. So let's go ahead and put that on here. So this is going to go like so. And then that's it. A super adorable, cute little pocket card. You could, I mean, how adorable would Christmas cards be with this? Not everybody's going to be giving a little Christmas pocket card, right? Now this will also fit into the envelope with this. So all you would have to do when you put it in your envelope is just go ahead and just fold that down toward the back, and it'll fit into the envelope perfectly. Okay, so that is it, my friends. I hope this helped you put together our brand new die, which I absolutely love. You will have some super cute pocket cards in the future. So thanks so much for tuning in. Have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.